What skills do you really need to land that machine learning engineer role? Well, there's no secret formula here. What you need is a solid set of skills that employers are actually looking for. And it's your lucky day today because I've done the research for you by analyzing 146 job postings on LinkedIn. I'll share the top 11 skills that companies are actually looking for in machine learning engineers. And make sure to stick around till the end because I've got some resources to help you master these skills and jumpstart your machine learning engineering career. Let's kick things off with number 9 on the list. I have 3 machine learning libraries for you. These libraries are essential tools for building and training machine learning models in various contexts. Around 25% of the companies ask for one of these libraries on their job postings, and they are Keras, Hugginface, and scikit-learn. Keras is a high-level API focused on simplifying creation and training of deep neural networks. Hugginface is a go-to for natural language processing. It offers pre-trained models, tasks like text classification and translation. Scikit-learn is a more versatile library that provides algorithms for a wide range of machine learning tasks. So if you're not already using these, get comfortable with these libraries. Next up is AWS Cloud, which also pops up in about 25% of job postings. This platform gives machine learning engineers a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective way to build, deploy, and manage their models, especially in the production setting. Number 7, data management is also a big one, showing up in 58% of job postings. It's obvious that they need strong data management skills because good data is the backbone of machine learning models. Companies want engineers who can organize, store, and safeguard data to ensure their models work well. Now, some people think that SQL is the most important skill for machine learning engineers, but interestingly, only 13% of job postings mention SQL specifically, putting SQL at number 12 on the list, which makes sense because data management is a lot more than just SQL. Data management includes things like data cleaning, pipeline management, and even security. And you might use tools like Pandas or Apache, but that's the whole process, and I can make another video about it. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. Next up at number 4, we have PyTorch, TensorFlow, and natural language processing. They showed up in about 75% of job postings. PyTorch is loved for its simplicity and dynamic computational graph, allowing developers to write and tweak code on the fly. It's especially popular in academia and research. TensorFlow, on the other hand, is more industry-focused, especially for large-scale production systems. NLP is all about teaching computers to understand and interact with human language. It powers tasks like sentiment analysis, language translation, and even chatbots. Basically, anytime machines need to interpret text or speech. Next up is deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to analyze and make sense of large data sets. It works kind of like how our brains process information, helping machine learning models identify complex patterns. Now, we just talked about NLP, which is also a subset of AI, but NLP is more specialized in language data, whereas deep learning is more broader, applied across areas like image processing, speech recognition, and even more. Next on the list is large language models, or LLMs. These are also advanced models trained on large data sets. It's used to generating human-like text and answering complex tasks. Now, what does that sound like? You're all probably familiar with ChatGPT by OpenAI and Cloud by Anthropic. These two are great examples for large language models. And finally, it's no surprise that number 1 is Python. Python was actually asked by 100% of the job postings that we have seen on LinkedIn. And there are many reasons for its popularity. First is the readability and simplicity. Python syntax is super easy to read and understand, making it a really popular coding language. Another is the extensive ecosystem. With a ton of libraries and frameworks designed for machine learning, Python has everything that you need to get started. And lastly, Python is very flexible. Whether you're working on simple models or something as complex as deep learning applications, Python can do it all. And when I was in school about 20 years ago, Python wasn't typically taught in university, so I ended up teaching myself Python, and it's really a beginner-friendly language that anyone can learn. Okay, now we have covered the top 11 skills that companies are actually looking for in machine learning engineers. But unfortunately, mastering all of these key skills alone isn't necessarily enough in today's tough job market. And that's where today's sponsor comes in. Zero to Mastery has hundreds of courses designed to teach you you step by step how to learn many of the key skills for machine learning engineering. For example, if you want to sharpen your machine learning skills, their TensorFlow for deep learning or the Python developers course is perfect for you. They even offer a full roadmap with step-by-step classes for the AI and machine learning engineering career path. And don't worry, these courses are made for any skill level, even if you've never written a line of code before. And it's not just about the courses and the instructors that make the platform really great. When you join Zero to Mastery, you get exclusive access to the most active tech community with over 400,000 students. You're going to learn alongside a community of instructors who can help answer any of your questions whenever you get stuck. So check out the link in the description to get started, and I'll see you in the next video.